I'm Carol. I'm the face behind Silver Coast Jewellery. My business is based in St Ives, Cornwall, and I design and make my own silver jewellery.
Hi, I'm Dee Young. I'm the founder and maker of Nature by Day.
For 2019, I've probably been making and selling jewellery for about 3 to 4 years with a moderate level of success, but very few online sales. Most of my sales came from the craft market. In 2019, those online sales suddenly on my website jumped to about 150.
I'm really proud about for last year was I set myself a target at the beginning of the year to make 125 sales. It started off at 100, but after the kickstart and pushing yourselves and set your goals and then set them a bit higher, I decided to go for 125.
All of a sudden, my customer numbers have really increased, and obviously that's had a massive effect on my sales. So yeah, I guess a 300% jump in online sales in 1 year was pretty amazing for me.
My name's Sally Howe and my jewellery business is called How Fine Designs. Before I joined the membership, I wasn't sure whether I would actually be able to use all the information there. It has been a godsend, and if I was to pay for individual lessons for some of the stone setting and things, I would be spending a lot more money if I was buying it all individually.
The membership helped me take that risk of putting myself out there and pushing myself forward to see what could happen, and anything's possible. My sales figure, my number of sales and Instagram followers, everything like that, it gave me a structure of what I wanted to achieve by the end of the year, and those were in my mind all the time.
Hi there, I'm Karen Young and I founded my own jewellery business in 2014 called Karen Young Jewellery. I personally got a huge amount out of the branding courses. I used that as the basis for my own rebrand. I did the rebrand myself, including creating my own logo, and I really was able to use the techniques, the tools, and a lot of the resources that Jess had put together in that module.
The most exciting thing for me is knowing that it is possible, and then having the confirmation at the end of the year when I got everything ready for the Christmas season that sales really did happen and Etsy can work.
So I market my business in several ways. I obviously work online, and I also trade weekly at an amazing craft fair, which might be useful for people that often don't know whether to trade at craft fairs or not, for them to know that it can work.
I'm so excited about a new collection I've got coming up, and I'm going to be taking part in the boot camp myself for the benefit of my business, so that I am growing into 2020.
My favourite part of the Jewellery Academy membership is the community. To be part of something that is real, and there's real people at the end of your phone, and it's a community of people who are all wanting the same thing, and it's really special. Really special.
The Jewellers Academy is a really inspiring place to be. No question is too silly. It's a safe space, and I can learn lots of things and share my knowledge.
Although I don't know a lot of these people, I feel that I do. I feel that I know that, a lot of people that post regularly, we all support each other.
There's something quite wonderful about being able to share and ask questions and get feedback from other like-minded jewellers, and I've found that absolutely incredible.
I mainly concentrated on the marketing modules, so I've really enjoyed the social media ones. I've enjoyed it all, really, to be honest. The boot camp was amazing to sort of give you a real kickstart. This year, I really want to concentrate on some of the making ones.
It gives me more confidence. I've got backing, I've got people who've got my back.
I would say to you, if you've got any reservations about joining, reach out and ask Jess and the team. Let them answer as many questions as you got, and then go for it. You really will get a huge amount out of the membership and all the courses, both making and business. So dive in, take a chance, and I promise you won't regret it.